This is the pronunciation video for the endocrine system, which is chapter 18 in your textbooks if you want to follow along. Again, blue boxes, terminology words. Adenitis, adrenalectomy, gonadotropin, hypogonadism, pancreatectomy, parathyroidectomy, hypopituitarism, thyrotropic hormone, thyroiditis, androgen, hypercalcemia, hypocalcemia, hypercalciuria, corticosteroid, endocrinologist, polydipsia, estrogenic, glucagon, hyperglycemia, glycemic, glycogen, homeostasis, hormonal, hypokalemia, prolactin, myxedema, hyponatremia. Turn the page. Hypophysectomy, somatotropin, steroid, oxytocin, thyrotoxicosis, antidiuretic hormone, glucagon, hypoglycemia, epinephrine, adrenocorticotropin, glycosuria, euthyroid, hyperkalemia, hypoinsulinism, oxytocin, panhypopituitarism, polyuria, tetraiodothyronine, triiodothyronine, and that's it for the endocrine system pronunciations.